Hey, what's up guys, it's Tiger21204 here, and now we're ready for step 6, the last step. So, the last step, we got all these in the right positions. Now we just need to rotate them the right way. As you see, this one's already rotated, so just leave that alone. And finds one that has two in order, like that. If it's not two in order, it should be one not right here, one not right here. So if it's not right like this, you just put one of them on top like that, and just pretend there's one wrong right here. So what you want to do is turn it sideways where you can see the two wrong ones. Move up, left, left, down, left, up, right, down. And now you want to do it with the opposite side. Like up, left, left, down, left, up, left, down. And you can see that these are the only two wrong ones left. So you want to do it again. Up, left, left, down, right, up, left, down. And the same thing. Now we only have to do this one more time. So do that one more time, and then you'll be good. Up, left, left, down, right, up, right, down, up, left, left, down, left, up, left, down. And you should have solved the Rubik's Cube. Congratulations. Have a good day. And if I was helpful, please like and subscribe. See ya. Peace out.